Okay guys, so today I'm gonna show you, I got these winglets for motorcycles from Wish. It says they're universal, they don't look too big, judging by the size of the package. We're gonna open up and see what exactly is inside. Price wise, I forgot how much I paid. It was like $8 or $9 plus shipping, I don't know, 15, 18, something like that. It was below $20 anyway. So let's see what we got here. Oh. Throw this away. Open this one. Oh my god. They're gonna be small. Pretty small. Wow. Nothing else in the box. And these are the winglets. Well, they're very small. You know, they're gonna come like this in the front of the motorcycle. So basically you're gonna be looking at them like this. Have 3M stickers. Okay. And I mean, well, they're way smaller than I thought. Honestly, I was expecting for them to have like at least a little more width, not necessarily length, but width here. But we'll see. Maybe they'll look good on the bike. Okay, so before I decide if I'm gonna put this for good, forever, you know, I'm gonna place them on the bike. I put some tape like this and I'm gonna place them and see how they're gonna look like. You know, I don't want to put this sticky one and not being able to take them off. I didn't really check the exact position and stuff, but they look pretty good, you know. Even if they're small like that, they look awesome on this bike. What do you guys think? You like them? Not too much, but good looking. Thank you guys for watching. If you like, please follow and subscribe.